How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be doing a remake of Prozac's track Like This. Prozac's made a few garage bangers over the past few years, including Dista, Dart, and most recently Like This. Here is what the remake sounds like. Great, so I've just dropped a garage drums pack. If you want the best garage drums money can buy, please check out my website. It's in my bio. They're only $19.99 at the moment. Get them while they're on sale. As always, if you want to download this project, you can get it from my Patreon. The link for that is below as well. Let's get on with it. Great, we're going to break this down into 3 easy steps. Firstly, you're going to need some drums. The drums today will be from my new UK garage drum pack. Let's have a look through them. Great, this one sounds right to me. I could obviously break it down into the kick, hat, and I could mix it better, but just for the sake of speed, I'm just gonna drop this full drum loop in. Sounding good. Next, let's work on the bass. I've pre-prepared this MIDI. We're in the key of F minor, and all we do is change from F to G, and vice versa. And then in the second bit, I've added some variations, and it goes up to C, and there's a few little rolls over here in the key of F minor. Next, we're going to move on to the sound. So we're going to be using Serum. So let's open up Serum. I'm going to go to my Garage preset pack, Production Hut UK Garage Volume 1. Great, so I'm going to start with the bass preset Roadman. Sounds like this. So it sounds pretty close already. We're just going to make some slight alterations. So we're going to change this basic shape to a square. We're then going to go to LFO3 and change the rate to a 1/4 bar. Great, and we're then going to change the cutoff, maybe open it up a little bit. So let's lower the cutoff slightly to about 232 Hertz. This is what I've got for the effects. I've got this distortion with a soft clip. You can also change this slightly. So I'm going to keep it on a soft clip. A lot of the sound comes from this compressor. So it's this multi-brand compressor. Without it, that really gives it that squelchiness in the top end. Then got this reverb, not really doing anything. This hyper. Which really makes it wide. Great, so now we've got that sorted, we can chuck in the vocal. Boosted the EQ slightly at the top end, and just because I've lost quite a bit at top end when it's done the conversion. We've then got this reverb to sort of make it sound a little bit less tinny as well. We'll then add a side chain, so for this time I'm going to use the kickstart. Then going to add this kickstart onto the bass as well, so the kick punches through the mix. It also means that the bass sort of sits nicely on the drums. We are then just going to add one last bit. So this pluck, all it is a monthly pluck preset from my pack, and the note hits the same as the kick, so on every beat. I then used this EQ to take out the top end and the low end, and then used kickstart to sidechain it so that you can't hear it as much, and it adds more of just an atmosphere. One important thing is on every UK garage track, all your instruments should have the same swing on them. So what we're going to do is click on the drum loop and we're going to click extract groove. So this is going to be extracting the groove. What you mean by groove is the swing. So basically the small amounts that the drum hits are going to be off the beat. So then we're going to apply this swing onto our bass. So you just click over here and put the swing. If you wanted, you could obviously quantize it, which means that you would force every bar to be on the beat before it applies that swing. But all the notes are already on the beat, so it doesn't really matter. Great guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please comment down below what video you want to see next. Thanks for watching, see you next time.